Jai Hind, what is the secret? What is Trump's master plan rewiring the global economy through dollar, trade, and crypto? Now, while maybe Trump's economic strategies are certainly, sometimes labeled impulsive, but when we deep dive, it is always a deeper calculated shift in the architecture of American economic power. His desire to lower the value and exchange rate of the US dollar may seem contradictory to preserving dollar hegemony, but in fact, it's a delicate balancing act. A weaker dollar can, improve or increase exports and rejuvenate American manufacturing, a cornerstone of Trump's domestic vision, a long term vision that he envisages, while the structural dominance of the dollar in global reserves continues to uphold US geopolitical clout. In parallel, which is very important, cryptocurrency is emerging as a quietly endorsed instrument within Trump's inner circle. Though he has not overtly supported it, many of his associates are entrenched in this crypto world. Now, this raises the possibility of a strategic move, positioning cryptocurrency not as a challenge to dollar but a kind of controlled extension of American capital dominance, perhaps even a reserved linked US digital currency so that the flow of capital from America continues. Now, critics like Warren Buffett reduces crypto to a speculative gamble, pointing to its use in illicit markets. Yet, the objective demand driven by the distrust in centralized system continues to grow, especially in nations which are vulnerable to inflation or even authoritarian control. Now, the explosion of crypto adoption may not unfold in US where regulatory scrutiny is tightening, but rather in the other parts of Africa, Asia, Latin America, regions are seeking financial alternatives and even greater autonomy. Now, this is not just economic policy, it's a geopolitical, again, repositioning. Trump's vision, bolstered by tech entrepreneurs like Elon Musk, certainly hints at a rise of new elite class, one where technological capital merges with state power to shape a durable and digitized capitalism. Now, in this slide, what certainly seems more chaotic may in fact be strategic orchestration. Whether one agrees with the ethics of this vision or not, its implications are global and maybe irreversible. Do let us know what do you think in our comment section. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.